Hey my loves, it's almost February and I can't wait to show you guys all that I have in store for you this month. Valentine's Day is just around the corner and I wanted to show you guys how I created the Steamy Mason Jar piece with the word love written on it. So first you're going to need a clean vase jar or any jar that you may have. A glue gun, which I got from Michael's for about $5 with the glue sticks. And the frosted glass semi-transparent paint from Rust-Oleum. I believe that's how it's pronounced. So on a clean glass, I'm going to use my glue gun, to write the word love on the vase. It comes out a bit shaky and a little bit tacky on the first go round, but I do go back to make any corrections that I need to make in the end. Oh, and just to explain the elongated lines that you see in the letters, I wanted to create an illusion of writing on a foggy window or mirror. If you've ever wrote on a steamed window or mirror, sometimes you'll notice water drips from your print. I don't know what the scientific word is to just describe this kind of phenomena, but you get what I mean. And now here we're just going to go ahead and spray paint with that spray paint bottle that I showed you guys outside, of course. And I do this outside because, you know, there's fumes and stuff and, you know, you don't want to really get that in your house. But this is what I'm doing. I'm just going to spray it a little bit on outside, kind of cover it as liberally as possible. I'm going to go ahead and let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Actually, it dries really fast, so I would say 5 minutes max. And now that it's all finished with drying, we're going to go ahead and remove that glue from our vase, which is easy to remove. And so here I'm using a push pin just so that I can sharpen those edges or smooth out the edges so that the letters could look a little bit more neater. And the reason why I'm using a push pin is because I just, you know, feel like it's a little bit softer on the glass as opposed to using a blade or a knife or anything sharp, because, you know, I don't want to scratch the glass. I just kind of want to shape in the letters. So I'm just, you know, scratching the surface of the glass, which would be the paint, just so that we can get a little bit more of defined lines for our lettering. And voila, we have ourselves a steamed vase with the words loved written on it. I hope this was super fun and enjoyable to watch for you all. Thank you guys so much for watching that again, and please stick around, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon.